A young girl gently held the parrot in her hands, helping it as it struggled until a tiny egg finally came into the world. She placed the egg beneath their mother hen, safe and warm beneath soft feathers. Days passed, and under a phone's light they saw life inside, until the shell cracked and a baby parrot emerged. She fed it with love, watched it grow, and in time it loved them back, as if they were its true parents all along. If this little miracle touched your heart, give this video a gentle like, and join us by subscribing so you can grow with us in more stories of care and love.